To save on this week's food bills, our smart shopper Daphne Monroe has the deals to help you save at Valley grocery stores.
Quench your thirst for cheap at Albertsons this week. They have 32-ounce bottles of Powerade on sale. If you buy 15 in one transaction, you will get each of those bottles for just 58 cents each. And if you work in the field of first responders, you can get 10% off your entire food bill on Saturday, June 15th at Albertsons. Score a deal on drumsticks and thighs this week at Food City. They have them on sale for just 78 cents per pound, and you can purchase 2 packs for that price. And if you plan on shopping at Food City on Wednesday, June 12th, you can buy up to 8 mangoes for only 25 cents each. At Safeway, you can get your corn fix because they have 5 ears of corn on sale for $1. That's just 20 cents each. Save on all-natural ground turkey at Sprouts this week. You can score a package for just $3.99 per pound. That's a savings of at least $1 per pound. Red seedless grapes on sale for just 85 cents per pound at Fry's this week. Buy a dozen eggs for just 88 cents each. You can purchase 2 cartons for that price at Bash's'.
I'll have more Valley grocery store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.